What if I told you there's a loophole that lets you buy a 3 to 5 year old business and use it for business funding, even if you've never owned a business before? That's exactly what our client Rachel and her boyfriend Trey did to launch a food truck, and it changed everything for them.
Okay, money magnets, stay with us because today we're revealing the real secrets behind shelf corporations, why New Mexico is the #1 state for privacy, and how you can use this to get business funding in just weeks. I don't mean years, I'm talking about weeks.
We're gonna break down the myths, the pitfalls, and the insider strategies. You'll hear Rachel's and Trey's story, and by the end, you'll know how to book a free business strategy call with us so you can get started yourself. But Gloria, let's get to it.
Okay, so Rachel and Trey wanted to start a food truck, but there was a problem. No business credit, no funding, and they were stuck in their early 20s trying to figure it all out. But we showed them how to buy a shelf corporation, an existing age company that let them skip the new business headaches and get access to better funding almost instantly.
So they bought a 3-year-old chef corp from New Mexico. Within 60 days, they landed $50,000 in business funding, and then they started rolling out their food truck at events all over town in Memphis. Listen to their testimony.
Hello, my name is Rachel.
My name is Darius.
And we are starting a food truck business. We needed the capital for our business, so Marvin and Glory helped us raise $50,000.
Yeah, it was a super easy, quick and easy process. It only took like 3 to 4 business days to get done, and it went quicker than what I thought it would. So I highly suggest y'all shop with them. So contact them if y'all want funding, and a quick and easy process to get it done. So yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
There you go.
We're gonna jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video. Okay, money magnets, if you want more step-by-step strategies for building business credit and raising capital, smash the like button and subscribe. It helps us reach more entrepreneurs just like you. Now let's dive into a shelf corporation. A shelf corporation is just a company that's been formed and left on the shelf. Right. No business activity, just aging, just like fine wine. Y'all know how I like my wine. So when you buy a shelf corporation, you instantly get all of the history. That makes banks and lenders and vendors see you as an established business.
Yep, and think of it as buying a head start. Instead of being a brand new business, you suddenly are the owner of a business that's 3, 5, or maybe even 7 years old, and that helps you out a lot with the bank.
Okay, Marvin, but here's the real kicker. New Mexico doesn't require you to list the owner's name in public records. Right. What that means is you get total privacy. Your name is not searchable. That's a cash flow changer if you want to keep your business moves under the radar.
Other states, they're going to put your name right out there. But in New Mexico, you can buy a shelf corporation, stay anonymous, and still build business credit.
And because New Mexico shelf corporations are so affordable, you can pick one and you can get your name really quick, okay? So you don't have to wait on that. Wouldn't you like to raise up to $50,000 in business funding? Yeah. I know I would. Have you ever heard of shelf corporations before? Well, drop the word shelf below. And let's see how many of you are ready to use this strategy.
Now, New Mexico is great for privacy.
Right.
But what about Colorado and Wyoming? Here's why people buy shelf corps there.
Okay. First, Colorado and Wyoming are both business friendly. Right. You know, so super low annual fees, easy compliance, and like New Mexico and Wyoming also offers privacy. Yeah. Your name doesn't have to be public, which is really important.
Yep, and Wyoming is famous for asset protection. If you want to shield your personal assets from lawsuits, Wyoming is the fortress.
Most definitely, Marvin. That's why a lot of major corporations form in these states.
Right.
But Colorado, on the other hand, is great if you want to do business nationwide. Their shelf corporations are recognized everywhere.
Right.
And they're easy to maintain, which is really good.
Yeah.
Buying is simple. You need to make sure you find a reputable provider, okay?
Right.
Make sure they're legit. Make sure, you check them out on all of their age corps that they're selling.
Right.
And you make sure that you get the paperwork, update the ownership, and guess what? You're in business.
That's good. And look, we also recommend doing your due diligence.
Mm-hmm.
Not all chef corps are created equally.
Yes.
Some have bad credit history, tax liens, so make sure you check everything before you buy.
Okay, but there's a quick warning that, Marvin and I want to give you. Don't fall for the scams. Never buy a shelf corporation from Craigslist
Right.
or sketchy websites. Only use trusted providers. If you know someone struggling to get business funding, share this video with them. You could literally change someone's life.
All right, are you ready to skip the line and get real business funding? Look, this is your chance, guys. Gloria and I have helped thousands of business owners raise capital.
Mm-hmm.
This is a proven strategy, so if you're interested in it, just let us know.
Okay, we're offering a free business strategy call. No strings attached. We'll walk you through the process, answer any questions that you may have, and help you pick the right corporation for your goals.
For the best results, make sure you have a 700 credit score along with the shelf corporation, because most banks are still going to ask for a personal guarantee. So make sure you got less than 3 inquiries on each credit bureau,
Yes.
less than 3 inquiries on your check systems. Please remove all freezes and fraud alerts before applying. And if you have trouble with your credit, check out this testimony we got with Matt Barnes and what he said about our AI system.
What up? This is Matt Barnes, and like most of you guys, my parents messed my credit up when I was in college with them damn Discover cards. Throughout my MBA career, I was desperately trying to find people to help me improve my credit score. I paid tens and thousands of dollars for empty promises. About 2 years ago, I found my guy Marvin on Instagram with luxury credit hacks, and it changed my life. He took my score from a low 500 to the mid 700s, and it's still climbing. You guys need to check them out. They changed my life. They can change yours. You can find them at luxurycredithacks.com and tell them I sent you.
Hi, my name is Sheila, and I just want to let you all know how easy and fun it was to do business with Marvin and Gloria. I got approved for $50,000 in one inquiry, so and with no interest for 12 months. I mean, it was like in 2 days I was approved for $50,000. So I suggest you highly, if you're looking for any funding, I highly recommend Marvin and Gloria.
Money magnets. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Are you looking for a credit union that'll approve you up to $100,000? Well, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.